Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making the viral TikTok wrap hack. I have made both sweet and savory wraps. So do let me know in the comment box which one you like, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I have taken a tortilla here. You can make this out of wheat flour or normal flour. Now I have not cooked this properly. This needs to be a bit raw. I'm going to make a cut in between like this. This will help us in folding the wrap later. So make sure that you make a straight cut line out of this from the center. Now I'm going to apply some Nutella on 1/4 of the tortilla wrap. If you want, you can use any other chocolate syrup of your choice like this. On the second half, I'm going to apply some fresh cut strawberries. You can use any other fruit of your choice, but strawberries and Nutella make a perfect combination. They're so good together. So I'm using strawberries here. You can use raspberry, blueberry, or any other fruit of your choice. Now I'm going to repeat the Nutella. I'm going to put Nutella on the third side again. I'm making a sweet wrap, so I've used a lot of Nutella for this. This is not the most healthy alternative, but this is what I like. Now I'm going to use some bananas. Since it has fruits, I feel that it will make me feel less guilty about eating Nutella. Now it is totally up to you what you want to use there. Now you can fold your wrap like this. Just make sure that none of the fruits fall out when you're folding the wrap. My strawberries are falling out because they're a bit too big, so just be careful of that. Now I'm going to place this in a sandwich griller or sandwich maker. You can already see the strawberries and bananas. Now I'm going to oil this. This is optional, but I do this so that my tortilla doesn't stick to the grills. Just place your tortilla like this and leave it there for 2 to 5 minutes. Sweet tortilla is now ready. Just look at this. It's so good. Some of the strawberry has come out, but don't worry, it is all right. Transfer it to a plate, and now we're gonna make our pizza wrap. But before this, just look at how gorgeous the strawberries. For my pizza wrap, I've again taken a tortilla and I've made a cut in between like we had made for the previous one. For this, I'm going to use some chopped vegetables. I've taken some bell pepper, onion and tomatoes. Make sure to cover this completely. For the second part, I've taken cheese slice here. If you want, you can use any cheese of your choice. And for the third part, I'm going to take these paneer cubes or cottage cheese cubes. If you want, you can use meat or anything that you prefer in your pizza. Now for the fourth part, I'm taking some pizza sauce here. If you want, you can use ketchup or mayonnaise, anything according to your choice, but I prefer pizza sauce, so I'm using that. Now after applying this, I'm going to fold this wrap again. While folding the wrap, make sure that nothing is falling out like this. I'm going to place this in the grill, in the sandwich grill again, like this. My pizza wrap is also now ready. These are very tasty and easy to eat. You can carry them anywhere where you want to. Even if you're traveling somewhere, it's very easy to carry them. Both my wraps are now ready. You can see how delicious both of them look. For anyone, you can try it out in your own way. I've decorated my sweet wrap with some bananas and strawberries, and they look so cute. Until then, goodbye.